Hello guys, welcome to Facts Fantasy with a new video. Whenever we look into the starry night sky, a question appears to our mind. The question is, from where did the stars, planet and solar system and entire galaxies and the universe come from? Answer of the question is Big Bang. About 13.8 billion years ago, our universe was created from a big explosion in a point called singularity. From this, our entire universe formed, and gradually many dust clouds were created time by time for gravitational attraction between dust particles and atoms. And an entire solar system like our sun and its family was created from the gravitational collapse of dust cloud. Center of the cloud converted into massive star like sun, and other areas converted into planets like earth, and so on. And our earth was created from this way. And today I am going to tell you about some amazing facts about our planet Earth. So let's start the video. Before discussing about our Earth, we should know the age of our Earth. The age of our Earth is 4.5 billion years. It means our solar system and the Earth was created after 9.3 billion years of Big Bang. So how did scientists calculate the age? Scientists used to calculate the ratio of the two isotopes of carbon to calculate the age. It's called radiocarbon dating. From this we can calculate the age of rock. The oldest rock found in the earth is 4.5 billion years old. It was found in Australia named Zircon rock. And the second question is, who named the earth? Simply, we know when any person invents something new or gets anything mysterious new thing, then he or she names it. But which things is not created or invented by human, so how can they give the name? Same problem and mystery with planet Earth. So a strange answer of the question is alien might give the name. No one knows who actually gave the name of Earth. It is a great mystery for human. Other 7 planets in the solar system were named after Roman gods and goddesses. But Earth is only planet not named for a mythological god or goddess. The word Earth comes from the Old English Artha, meaning ground or land. Third amazing fact about our Earth. Earth is the most dense planet in the solar system. The density of Earth differs in each part of the planet. The core, for example, is denser than the Earth's crust, but the average density of the planet Earth is around 5.52 gram per cubic centimeter. Fourth amazing facts about our Earth. The rotation of Earth is gradually slowing down. Yes, it's true. The deceleration of Earth's rotation is very slow, approximately 17 milliseconds per 100 years. Eventually, this will lengthen our days, but it will take 140 million years before our day will have increased from 24 hours to 25 hours. Facts number 5. For 2000 years, ancient astronomers believed that the Earth was static and had other celestial bodies traveling in circular orbit around it. They believed this because of the apparent movement on the Sun and planets in relation to their viewpoint. In 1543, Copernicus published his Sun-centered model of solar system, which put at the center of our solar system.
Nå heier nærmer seg, spør alle hva jeg gjør da. Jeg hitter kløden som om hverdag